Yeah, if y'all can see that pad.
Man, how you think they...
Boy, it look like a motherfucking lawnmower that came through this bitch.
Someone's been back there cutting my... You said what?
Damn, I hope old boy, Scooter still over here, man.
Oh yeah, I think that's him over there. That's true.
Damn, he turned up some more shit. Damn. They still gonna feed the one. They still gonna feed that shit to us. Beautiful, he said. Where is old boy Scooter?
Hey, is he up? Man, you worry about the scooter. We need to make sure you made it to the water. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Somebody stole his damn scooter. Let me see. Or did he come down here? Hold on, let me out. Hold on. Hold up, man. Look out. Where'd the scooter go? I had a scooter.
Hey, you looking at your scooter?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there it go. All right, y'all. But okay. Look out, look out. Oh shit, this bitch done cut off. How you turn it back on? Ah, it didn't cut off, y'all. I'm gonna have to pedal back. How you turn it on? Oh, there it go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm back in business. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, the brakes went out. What's up with it, Ron? What's up with it?
He was far enough?
Yeah, he was far. Yeah, he was real far. Back next week. Oh, June 25th. You gonna be back? Okay, you don't get your time slip?
I don't want to see it, bro. My mama wants to see it.
I want to see it. Yeah, I want to know how fast you was going. Yeah. got it picked up on the K member or what? Everybody smash the like button.
Ain't no gas.
This car. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. I mean, hey, they say, did you get your water?
Yeah, I got that shit, bro. Man, I damn near passed out, bro. I'm like, bro, you understand how I feel right now, bro.
Back to the lab, dude.
Bro, back to the lab. Tell these niggas, bro. Tell them. This ain't stopping shit. Hey, man, Machine Motorsports, bro.
It ain't stop shit, huh?
Bro, I'm gonna turn the hoe down tonight, bro.
Okay, they back racing now, y'all. Got that piece here, y'all. In case I catch somebody slipping.